welcome back to my channel and happy first day of spring. So in classic New York fashion, we got a snowstorm, but that didn't stop me. I decided to give you all this like chocolate marigold, super festive and fun brown look because I just wanted to bring in spring and I wanted to give you a really glowy, luminescent, like ultra light beam look. And so this is the look that I came up with. As always, if you are subscribed to my channel, I thank you so much, and I'm really in love with all the subbies that I have. I'm almost to 100, which does not seem like a lot, but to me, a growing YouTuber, every little subby counts. So thank you, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, well, what are you waiting for? It's not gonna hurt you. Just hit the subscribe button, and while you're down there, hit the like button too. Maybe leave a comment or two just to say, hey, I'm here. If you want to see how I complete this look, then you should keep on watching and let's chill out. So first things first, I'm going to prime my face using Tarte's Poreless Mattifying Primer, and I'm just gonna apply this all over my face with a foundation brush. I'm going to take a new brow product that I received in my March Ipsy Glam bag, and it is the RODIAL Glamobrow pencil in the color Dark Ash Brown. Before I could even use this product, I tried to get the packaging off, and as you can see, it was a struggle with these fake nails, so you kind of just see me do an interpretation of a beaver for a little while. Now that I've gotten the packaging off, I'm going to fill in my eyebrows, and you've already seen a brow tutorial on this, so I'm just going to go ahead and speed through this part, and if you're curious, you can see my video link below. Brows are complete, so let's clean them up with a bit of Tarte's concealer in the color Tan. And I just sculpt these babies out and clean up my brows. Now I want to give my skin a glowy undertone, so I am going to take NYX Illuminator in the color Sunglow. Next, I'm going back to my Huda Beauty foundation in the color Chocolate Mousse and applying this all over my face. And I'm just going to use a foundation brush and buff this all into my skin. And make sure that you blend that foundation all the way into your neck so there's no demarcation from your foundation and your face. Next, taking my ITSMYRAYERAYE BH Cosmetics palette, I'm going to go in with the color Spice in my crease. Next, taking the color Control Freak, I'm going to put this in my crease again, but then focus in more on the outer corner of my eyes and fan it out. To deepen that crease, I'm actually going to take one of the contour colors called Brawny Bite and put this in the crease of my eye and make it really deep, and it's kind of going to act as the start of my cut crease. And I'm just going to fan out that color all the way to the outer edge of my eye, almost to my eyebrow. Taking a finer pencil brush, I'm going to mark out a line right above my crease, and this will act as the start of my cut crease. And I'm going to make sure to extend that line all the way to my eyebrows to where I fanned out that initial brownie bite. And just make sure to blend it out with a fluffy brush. Now I'm going to take some Tarte concealer again and just carve out my eyes to the middle of my eyelid. And I'm also going to go in with my inner corner and really make sure that that's all blended out. Next, I'm going to take the color Mousse and apply that on my eyelid right on top of the concealer that I applied. Next, taking my second item from my Ipsy bag, I'm going to take this Lola eyeshadow color by DOUCCE. Next, I'm going to take the color Mousse again with a fluffier brush and just apply that in the middle of my eyebrow, and then I'm going to take the color Pancake and apply that to my brow bone. I'm just going to apply some Jasmine Brown Eyelure lashes off camera, and now I'm going to use my next item from my Ipsy bag, which is my Tarte Cosmetics Sex Kitten eyeliner, and I'm just going to waterline my lash line and my upper lash line. My lash line look neater, I'm going to take my Ciat London liquid eyeliner and just make a small line above my eyelashes and my eyeline. Next, I'm just going to mesh my eyelashes in with the fake lashes using some mascara. Next, I'm going to finish the rest of my face, so I'm just going to take my Tarte concealer again and just make some dots just to have fun with it, and I'll blend that out. And then I'm going to take my NYX concealer in the color Espresso and make some lines again down the contour lines of my face, and again blend those out as well. And as you can see, the dots work just as well as a regular line. Now I'm going to brighten my face using that BH Cosmetics palette again in the color Chai. As you can see, I put a little too much Chai on and it was a little too bright, but it worked out. To add some color back in my face, I'm just going to take some CYO Bronzing Rocks in the color Rock and Gold and apply this all over the outer edges of my face. To finish up my eyes, I'm just going to take the color Control Freak and apply that on my lower lash line from the middle to the end. And then I'm going to go in with the color Mousse and just apply that on top of that. Just going to fill in my mole and apply some mascara from NYX, and that is pretty much my eyes. So I'm going to take this Tarte blush in the color Feisty, and you can see it's a really pale pink. And of course, I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty Killawat highlighter in the color Trophy Wife. And we all know that as soon as you put this highlighter on, you start to go ham. So this went on my cheeks, the inner corner of my eyes. This decided to make it my eyeshadow. Put it on my lips, my brow bones, everything. For my lips, I'm going to take my Old Faithful MAC lip liner in the color Chestnut. And for my lips, I'm going to go in with this pretty brown color called Liquid Venom from L'Oreal's Infallible Paints Metallics. And to add some highlight to my lips, I'm just going to go in with that Maybelline Python Lip Kit and apply that shimmery color to the center of my lips, and then just outline my lips again around the outer corners with the Liquid Venom Liquid Lipstick by L'Oreal. And there you have it. Hi everyone, so that is the completed look. So originally I was going for like a chocolate brown sugar type look, but as soon as that Fenty hit the skin, we all know it's over. Like, I just put it everywhere. I feel like I just doused in it, but I just love how like glowy and luminescent it makes my skin look. Like, I feel like I have a sun coming out from my face. That might sound weird, but that's how I feel. And I just feel like this is the perfect way to bring in spring, because you know it's too far from summer. I do not have a tan yet, but it's still like winter time, so you just gotta fake it till you make it. And so this is just a fun look to welcome in the spring. So of course, thank you all for watching, and I will see you all next week, and I hope you have a great weekend. Bye.